Hello everybody, this is Phil Rumsey and I'm playing Monkey Quest. And this is the second time I'm recording because the first time I was just about to end the video and then the game crashed.
Well, it did. Well, you clicked not the
well, I've got the Underdash Rumster here. Well, he's called the Rumster on YouTube, but
no,
you spell it.
Pirate, wizards are wizards.
Underdash on the Underdash.
Oh, I hate Sky. God, Minecraft is rubbish. Well, where's where's yes? I need to. I'm getting the same name. I'm getting
Nerd or one of them.
I'm getting the same name we had last time. When the
Frazzle.
Yeah, Frazzle.
Can be a girl. No.
Frazzle. What was it?
Frazzle.
It was something.
Bro.
It was something Frazzle, bro.
Justice. Frazzle, bro.
Oh yeah. I'll just find bro. Bro.
Imagine if it was Frazzle.
Bro. So Justice.
Yeah.
J. Justice.
Who's your phone, Jesse? I've not got one. Maybe that's nice. You did.
What's this? Oh, I can't choose it now. Justice Frazzle Breaker.
James' yellow one's here. That must be yours. Leaving this here.
Because everybody keeps talking. You have to unplug it until it's quiet.
I'm not talking.
Greetings, mighty wizard. Join the fight against the shadow demon Ka. And while in Ook, you can party and play games with your friends and spend your bananas on legendary items.
Okay, so we'll pass it. Yep. We need to get loads of Endios.
Yeah. Got that achievement again.
Yeah.
Get a lot of free ones. We've got a sword, we've got a nice horse.
It's a exactly.
No, what is
52. Oh, it requires a membership for a trainee.
Oi, look at that! Another monkey's come to join the fight against Ka.
Just like the Monkey King. Perhaps it's here to play in the monkey game.
I was a Monkey Games champion once.
But you're just a face.
Maybe it's here to do some shopping.
yeah.
Hey, wanna buy me some food?
What even happened then? So this game is very different, as I said.
Welcome to Ook, Great Wizard. We need your help in the fight against Ka. Meet some of the important monkeys here in Ook. Buy yourself a pet and report for your tribe captain, Mimi.
That crap. Oh, the door's not even open and that guy walked through it. I have to walk through the door and it's not even opening. Walking through the door. Oh, the door's not even opening. I want some like that. But I don't have the time. We need to go to the objective.
amazing.
That's amazing.
That's what he says every time something happens. Oh, I can't go. Wait, that's the pirates.
It's all pirates.
I'm a wizard now. I'm a ninja. I thought to be a ninja, but then wizards have spells. It's like oh, let's get
Welcome to
50
Mowgli's Mystical
ones.
Pet Shop. If you're looking for a magical companion with special powers,
Wait,
you've
I've
come to
got
the right
60
place.
XP already. I've not done anything. Except talk to a few people. Hey. Wait, how many bananas have I got? 400. Yes!
And remember,
A happy pet is a powerful pet. He's Scottish.
Scottish.
Oh, she's got an accent. Whoa, where are we going?
Into the
Goose.
Oh my god, somebody just fell down there.
Go! Whoa! Whoa, wait, what did I just click?
Motion.
What did I just click?
Motion. Your nail, dude. Look at your nail.
I just want to see how I got the motion thing up. What did I click?
I don't know.
I need to see it.
I don't know. Look, click nail.
That's Pass the friends in, point to lower up their pets.
Oh, Pet Masters.
Let's do that next time. Actually, do that in a couple of episodes. I'll save it. Let's actually do the game. And it
It's very
crashed around about here.
Dave, it's very cool.
I'm gonna do here, guys, and you'll see you in episode 2. Wait, until be now. Until I come.
No.
Bye.